In this video, we'll learn about idioms. Have you ever heard someone say, "hold your horses," or "once in a blue moon"? Those are both examples of idioms. An idiom is a phrase that means something different than the exact words. So, hold your horses doesn't actually mean to hold onto some horses. It really means to wait or be patient. And once in a blue moon doesn't have anything to do with the color of the moon or even the moon at all. It actually means very rarely. Idioms often start from events or situations long ago. Someone creates the idiom from a real experience, and over time, people repeat the phrase so much that the original, literal meaning is forgotten, but the figurative meaning stays. So why do people use idioms when they're speaking or writing? Idioms make what we say more interesting, descriptive, and memorable for listeners or readers. But how can you figure out what an idiom means? Ask yourself these 3 questions. First, does the sentence make sense literally? If not, then what's happening around the phrase, or what words do you understand? You can find context clues and use them to determine what is the overall meaning of what was said. Let's look at an example. Ian and I both love scary movies and cold pizza. People say we are 2 peas in a pod. If taken literally, the phrase 2 peas in a pod doesn't make sense because people can't be peas. Instead, we can use a context clue in the sentence, which is both loving scary movies and cold pizza, to help us determine that the 2 people are very similar in their behavior or thinking. In the example, Luca felt butterflies in his stomach before giving the speech, so he was glad when it was over. The phrase, butterflies in his stomach, doesn't make sense because butterflies aren't ever actually in someone's stomach. Instead, we can use context clues of talking about giving a speech and being glad when it's over to realize that the idiom means to be nervous or anxious. So remember, idioms are phrases where the meaning is different, usually very different, than the words, but we can use context to determine what's being said. Do you need activities to practice understanding idioms and context? Find links in the description to no prep options and subscribe to this channel for more video lessons.